Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a bronzer. This is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It got awarded People's Beauty Award. So I've seen a lot of tutorials on this, and everyone keeps raving how freaking amazing it is. This is in the color 6675 Light Bronze. So I thought I would buy it. I got this from Walgreens. I think it's a little pricey. It's like $14 or something. But I had to buy it because I'm like, I hear everybody's raving like this is a perfect bronzer. And so I'm like, oops, sorry, move the camera there. So I thought I would buy it and try it out for you guys. And I hear that the smell is fantastic. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried this. Oh my gosh. It smells like coconut. It smells like the beach. Like you're on vacation, and that's probably why it looks like that. So it comes with, what does it come with? What in the world is this? What in the freaking world is this? This is like a beauty blender. This is a beauty blender. Like a flat beauty blender or a flat sponge. So I don't know, guys. Let me just kind of do it on my hand, see if... I don't know about that. I don't know about that at all. Should I try it? Yeah, you know what? Let me just try it. Shoot, if I mess up my makeup, I mess it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and just try it. I usually use my my bronzers as a little bit of a highlight. Yes, it's going on. I do not like this bad boy. I'm not used to this. Maybe I have to readjust. Oh, it actually went on though nicely, but I like having more control. So I'm actually going to go with one of my brushes here. Let's go ahead and just like put this on how I normally would. What do you guys think of the color? I don't know. What do you guys think of the color? The color looks good, right? And almost like I patted more on over here because of that sponge thing it came with. The smell is like to die for. It like makes you want to go drink a pina colada on the beach. Okay, so let's try this side. You guys tell me what you think. Let me go ahead. It actually has a really nice mirror in it. Look at the mirror. Really nice mirror. So let's go ahead and try this side and see what we think. Oh, okay, so that sponge thing it comes with actually like pats it on more, I think, than like the brush. But the brush is working fine. You just have to dip in a little bit more. This is really pretty, actually. You know what? I was like, there's no way I'm gonna like that. That's too light. But ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Maybe I put a little bit too heavy. Yeah, you know what? Maybe this packs it on a little bit too heavy. This is more like what I go for. This looks a little bit too heavy. Wow, okay. Go ahead and bring it up here. I think this is like such a nice bronzer. Contour shade as well. I mean, you saw how I looked when I first started. I looked very fair. Like it's winter, which it is, but I don't want to look like it's winter. But this is very buildable, as you can see, and it gives you a nice, I mean, look at me. I look like I'm tanned, don't I? I think this is beautiful, beautiful. This smell is to absolutely die for. So I honestly thought I was going to hate it. I really did. I honestly thought I was going to hate it. This is light bronze. It's called Butter Bronze. Yeah, Butter Bronzer. This is going to be in my top drawer because that is just really pretty. That is such a subtle, natural, beautiful bronzer. It has no shine to it. Let me go ahead and just swatch it real quick and show you guys a close-up. No shine. It actually, no, it doesn't have a shine at all, which is nice. It's like a matte velvet, you know. Looks great. I give this product a total thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial demonstration. If you could tell me if you have one that's actually better than this, because I haven't found a bronzer that smells. I mean, I've found bronzers that smell good. They just don't go for my skin color. I'm a cool tone with a yellow undertone. That is my skin complex. and all the other bronzers that I usually find, they're good. They don't have a smell. And then the ones that have a smell are not good. So this is a total thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you like a bronzer that smells good and works great, that's better than this. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.